Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Aydin University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Aydin University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for Aydin University login. After searching for Aydin University, you have to tap on the first search. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, just tap on entrance, and after tapping on entrance, you will successfully enter to your account. But if you have forgot your password, what you can do is just simply reset and recode your password by tapping on I forgot my password. So just create a new password and then come back to this login page, and after coming back to this login page, you can enter the new password that you have created, and after entering that new password, just tap on entrance, and after tapping on entrance, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Aydin University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.